Everyone. Today we are discuss on our topic electoral bond. First of all, what is electoral bond? Then we describe in some points. Electoral bonds are interest-free barriers bonds and money instruments that can be purchased by the companies and individual in India from the authorized branch of SBI. Second, these bonds purchased through KYC complaint account to make donation to the political parties. These political parties have in case this donation in within 15 days. Third, the name and other information of donor are not entered on the instruments, thus these bonds are said to be anonymous. Our fourth, the government brought in Amendment 2 for Article to introduce the Electoral Bond Scheme via Finance Act 2016 and 17. Second, five judges constitutional bench commanded hearing on October 31. Several arguments have been made against a senior lawyer from against Advocate Prashant Bhushan, Nizam Pasha, Vijay Hansaria, and Sanjay Hegda and other. Third point is enable backdoor lobbying is Prashant Bhushan told the court that there is evidence to prove that there were kickback being paid by the corruption via electoral bond to political parties in power to get favor of corruptions. 40% of these bonds encased by the BJP and the 60% of this bond encased by the other parties of our country. By this electoral bond, these companies which already in loss and do not business, they also donate in a millions. Electoral bonds also promotes corruption and this scheme has also removed the cap of corporate donation and amendment. It destroy and disturb democracy of our country. This scheme does not reduce black money but rather aimed to rotate non-anonymous funding from normal banking channels. It's a alternative white money channel created by the government. And our last point is, and finally, Supreme Court announced that electoral bond is unconstitutional. Thank you.